The traditional route usually takes around 4 years. The main reason is that you are earning your bachelor's degree and completing your program simultaneously while attending a 4-year college or university. Alternative certification is often seen as the faster option to teacher certification. This is mainly because you already have a degree, so you don't have to spend the extra time going back to a 4-year college or university. In most cases, you can be fully certified in about 12 to 18 months, and you can get into a classroom and start getting paid sooner. So you're thinking about becoming a teacher in Texas. That's great, but you've got one big question looming. How long is this actually going to take? It's a little confusing, right? You hear about traditional 4-year degrees, but you also hear about people getting into a classroom in just a few months. In this video, we're cutting through all that confusion. I'm going to break down the timeline for every single pathway, from the traditional university route to the alternative certification route, so you can find your exact situation and know what your journey to the classroom really looks like. Before we start the clock, you need to know about the Texas Education Agency, or TEA. They're the ones who run the show and approve every single path to becoming a teacher. No matter which road you take, the basic formula is the same. You'll need a bachelor's degree. You have to complete an approved educator preparation program, or EPP, and you must pass your certification exams. Your personal timeline really just depends on where you're starting. We can boil it down to 2 main paths. First, the traditional university path for those who don't have a degree yet. Second, the alternative certification path for those who already have a bachelor's. Now, let's put a timer on each route. But before we do that, here's a little info on the traditional route. Who is it for? This is the classic route for high school graduates or anyone who hasn't earned a bachelor's degree. It's also good for those who are early on in their college career, say the first 2 or 3 semesters. How long does it take? The traditional route usually takes around 4 years. The main reason is that you are earning your bachelor's degree and completing your program simultaneously while attending a 4-year college or university. Your degree coursework is built right into your educator preparation program, which means while you're learning your subject, you're also taking classes that teach you how to teach. The final year is all about hands-on experience. You'll do field observations and cap it off with a full-time clinical teaching semester, usually an unpaid 14 to 16-week gig in a real classroom. And while it's technically called clinical teaching, it's not uncommon to hear it referred to as student teaching. After you graduate, pass your exams, and clear your background check, you'll be allowed to apply for your certification. It's a comprehensive path, but it's definitely a major time investment. Now let's talk about the alternative certification timeline. Alternative certification is built for anyone who already has a bachelor's degree in any subject from an accredited college and wants to leverage that degree into a full-time teaching career. It's also good for people who are in the final semester before getting their bachelor's degree and know they want to leverage that degree into a teaching career. And no, your degree doesn't have to be in education. This route is perfect for people who recently graduated from college, people looking to switch careers, and people who are currently substitutes or paraprofessionals. So how long does it take? In most cases, you can be fully certified in about 12 to 18 months, and you can get into a classroom and start getting paid sooner. Alternative certification is often seen as the faster option to teacher certification. This is mainly because you already have a degree, so you don't have to spend the extra time going back to a 4-year college or university and getting your degree and finishing your teaching program at the same time. An alternative certification program, or ACP, is an intense classroom-focused program designed to get qualified people into schools without them having to go back to college for their certification. The speed is largely up to you. First, you enroll in an approved ACP. Then you'll jump into initial training, often hours of online coursework, but some programs have in-person training as well. One of the best things about ACPs is that you can usually work through the coursework on your own time while still at your current job. While you're working on your coursework, you'll also need to complete 50 observation hours and prepare for any Texas exams you need to pass. Once you pass your exams, finish your first 150 hours of coursework, and complete your 50 hours of observations, you'll be Statement of Eligibility, or SOE-ready, meaning you are eligible to start your first year of teaching as a paid intern. Technically, all 3 need to be completed for a traditional SOE. During that paid internship year, your district will connect you with a mentor teacher, while your ACP gives you a field supervisor and more training. After you successfully complete your internship and your program's coursework, your program will recommend you for your standard certificate. So while full certification takes about a year, some programs can have you in your own classroom, earning a teacher's salary in just a few months. All right, let's recap. The traditional university path is a 4 to 5 year journey from scratch. But for anyone who already has a bachelor's degree, the alternative certification program is without a doubt the fastest route, getting you paid and teaching in as little as a few months, with full certification taking about a year. Figuring this all out can feel like a lot, but knowing your timeline is the first real step to making it happen. The key is to find the path that fits your background and your goals. If you're looking for a great alternative certification program in Texas, we'd be happy to help you on your teaching journey. Check out our website, apply for free, or if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email, a call, or you can even text us, and our admissions advisors will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.